guys, we're back. This is exactly where we left off last time. So let's play. Oh, Hanoi. Yes. Tacos. We gotta vote for Hanoi. Hanoi. I love that match. Come on. Vote for Hanoi. No. Come on, why do I want Hanoi? It's a nighttime map. No! Emma, can we listen to music now? What? I heard the song so much. Emma likes unicorns. Unicorn fly to the sky. The magical unicorn fly to the sky. Take him down. No. There's a magical pony fly to the sky, shooting down. No one said I could teach a llama how to drive. No, llama, no.
I'm gonna play random songs to see if you hate them, okay?
What? Don't play random songs to see if I hate them. Emma, come on. Dragunov! Guys, we have a bigger team than never mind.
The biggest hit ever.
There's a guy named House Hoya of Gold. House Hoya of G Told. Like, what? It's raining tacos. Oh, come on, really? A C4 or Claymore, whatever they're called? What's up? Wanna watch TV, guys? Watch TV. Oh no, don't go for free channel. Come on, guys, you gotta make it in. We gotta make it in. Woo! It's raining tacos.
No, it's not. That's what I'm saying.
I know, I'm just saying it.
That's what I'm playing.
Emma's playing Hello by Adele. It's not Adele.
Yeah, it was.
Oh my god, she sounds so much skinnier.
The
Jesus.
official lyrics.
Go there. Obviously not. She sounds so much skinnier than she actually is. No offense, but Adele is very fat. Okay, there is kind of offense there. But still. Oh no, she got that physical. She got like her own mental person. What the heck are you doing? No, it's gonna rave, crime rave.
But you probably really hate it.
Boom. Come on!
Just let it go. We got it.
Let her go?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
Seriously. Okay.
Almost
Fins are heaving, take it slow. That was purposely. I'll make any sudden moves. Guys, this is a horrible gun for this match. Half of the abuse. All my friends are here, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. I'll make any sudden moves. All half of the abuse. Let the love one day start to end. Break the chain. If life said, please don't forget. My friends are heathens to this world. What? You gotta listen, Emily. Let me listen to the full song. Jesus. Why'd you restart it?
I'm watching the other video.
Oh, come on. From the Suicide Squad?
Yeah.
Or the one from Normal?
This one.
This
one.
No, leave your phone here. I'm not gonna touch it, Emma.
There's someone just as Batman should be easy. What? There's someone just as Batman should be easy.
The love one day start doing make a change. Home with me. You're gonna think I never left, but I did. I gotta avenge my teammate, man. Rock and roll! Oh wow, he's so dead. Okay, now they're gonna come down here, and I'm gonna be ready.
We've lost the lead. We've taken the lead.
Oh, he shot him, and then he shot him.
Friendly spy plane.
Guys, this is like the best cop call, okay? He shot her. What? But he shot me first. But he's dead. Why was he talking? He's not. I'm talking a Nimbus. Okay, no one shot anyone, right? No. Everyone's dead. We had a party. Someone decided to kill everyone. We don't know who he is. We didn't even invite him. He just showed up. Like, I know I suck at this game so bad, but you know what? It doesn't matter.
Our spy plane's in the air.
Just knocked him through the window. Is someone in there now? Oh. Oh crap, grenade! Ah! Okay guys, let's go, 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 go. Oh, there he is. I'm chasing him.
Spy plane ready for deployment.
Spy plane
Spy
inbound.
plane standing by. Our spy plane's in the air. Friendly care package on the way.
Come on, guys, let's go. up in the air. Let's see what happens to it. Oh yes, shot at it. And it exploded.
Friendly RCXD deployed.
Okay, now I know where someone is. Yeah, go over there and kill that guy. Okay, so, dang it.
Isn't here, keep
I was
fighting.
gonna look at my kill cam, but whatever.
Friendly fight lane inbound. Hold up on the way. Time's almost up. Heads up, enemy RCXD spotted.
There's the python. I never get to use that thing. Come on, really? Why do I have to be shot? Oh, they're camping in there. Victory, guys. Yes, we're almost 1,000 points up. We're 600 points over them, which is very good. Oh, guys. Guys, I'm just joking. I hope you understood. I guess I'm gonna have to vote with random. I don't like Crisis, and we just played Radiation, so. Oh, you know what? No, guys, better idea. Find match. Core. Where is it called? Domination. Yeah, I love Domination. Especially in the map Radiation. Now that we just played that, it reminds me. I guess we're gonna have to go Villa. I'm playing with matched players, literally. Like, that sucks. Okay, wow, guys, over 10 million, over 10 billion people have made emblems. Guys, I am so comfortable in these shorts right now. Surprisingly, I have a shirt on in this extreme heat. Are you sure? Why'd you poop? Why did you poop?
Huh?
Why did you poop? Stop it.
But now I'm playing Clash of Clans. So.
What? Do you want Clash of Clans?
Every time you watch, I'll do them zerstören. Ey, Alter. Mama, du zerstören.
Okay, I gotta vote all these people to get off the island.
Ja, fuck you, laut. Das ist voll geil.
No, I can't.
Warte, ich will raus. Mach mal laut.
Oh, that sound more camel. The battle is building.
Ja, hallo. Zerstören.
I need a train of
Drug enough for Villa. I love Villa. if you know me, I love the map Villa. Villa, Hanoi, Nuketown, Radiation, and Jungle are probably all my favorites. Why is this woman weird like that? So guys, I know I'm a newbie. I suck at this game, but you know, whatever.
Securing Bravo.
Why wouldn't we just... Oh my god. Never mind. I'm not even going to argue about it.
We lost Bravo. Throw a grenade.
Come on. Why do people gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human? No, you're not. You're just an online random player. How am I supposed to know you're that? You're not just a robot. Because it's online. Die.
A secure. Securing B.
I saved his butt millions of times today. Just spawning here. I don't want to spawn there. Fine. I gotta find somewhere to provide sniper port. Popping smoke. Taking a smoke. Taking a smoke.
All areas secured. Hold your
Yes.
position.
Get out of there! Oh no, they're taking it back.
Losing Bravo.
We're losing Bravo, guys. Why are you letting this happen? Lost Bravo.
Enemy spy plane incoming. Securing Bravo. Friendly spy plane inbound. A secure.
Why? That have to happen. Top. A link is theirs. I'm gonna go for A because everyone wants to get B. I'm not taking that.
Enemy took B.
Oh god, it's a lot of Nova gas right there, guys.
RCXD deployed.
What? Who just killed me with a flamethrower? Oh my god. Low torched. Okay, we have A and C.
Losing
Let's go for
Alpha.
B. We need to get B. We're losing what? We're losing Alpha.
Securing B. Securing B. Friendly RCXD inbound.
No, I gotta get to A, but I have to go through B to get to A.
Losing B. Kill confirmed.
Come on! That shot the guy! Seriously!
Heads up, enemy RCXD spotted.
You know, I'm gonna be a scout. I'm going to... scout. I'm going to go undercover and I'm going to capture A.
Losing Charlie.
What? What? He never touched me! What? That's not fair! Huh. Ugh.
Bravo secure.
It's not fair.
We're headed your way. Our spy plane's in the air. Enemy contact.
All of them are gonna be ours in a minute.
All areas
Yes.
secured. Hold your positions.
We need to hold the we need to hold the fort down.
We lost Bravo.
kidding me? And Charlie? We left Bravo and Charlie. Alpha is now ours, but
Losing A. Enemy took A.
oh yes, now C and B is ours.
Enemy spy plane above. Enemy care package inbound. Losing Bravo.
That was my grenade right there. Oh crap! Hide! Hit the deck!
Friendly spy plane inbound. Losing B.
My light! Stupid! Jeez. I'm gonna watch Charlie. I'm just gonna watch Charlie.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
Why monitor a problem if you don't fix it? Well, I'm gonna monitor the problem so I can call someone to fix it. No. Everyone come to Charlie. It's a party. Come on. Come kill me. You're too busy protecting Bravo. Why is Bravo the most important? I like the sounds of Alpha better. There should be 4 of them. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta.
Losing B.
Losing B. Yeah, I know we're... Oh, wait. Losing B. What? No.
Cobra on the way.
Just said we were losing... Ah.
Losing C.
Losing... Oh, it said we were losing B. Now we're losing C. Suicide. Come on. We're going to commit suicide.
We lost Charlie.
Oh my god, I can't deal with this anymore. You know what? Shotgun. Where's my shotgun? I don't care if it has barely any ammo, but still.
Losing B.
Thanks, someone killed me. Now I can get my shotgun. I can prove these fools a lesson. I am better than them. Someone hiding behind the corner? No? Good.
Securing C.
Frag out.
We lost A. Securing Alpha.
Guys, we gotta crush them.
Securing Alpha.
Okay, now I know where someone is. So I can surprise him.
Enemy spy plane above. Alpha secure.
Someone killed him.
Popping smoke.
Friendly RCXD deployed.
Friendly RCXD deployed.
Friendly care package on the way. Losing B.
Losing B? What? No!
Friendly RCXD inbound.
We actually won B over.
We lost B.
We lost B and C.
Spy plane
Crap.
inbound.
All they need is
Friendly
A.
care package inbound. SR-71 on the line. Enemy spy plane incoming.
Why do you have to be so mean? Jesus. I'm HK21. You gotta die. Suicide for HK21.
Friendly forces inbound. Securing Bravo. Friendly RCXD deployed.
What? He ran? Where did that guy got blow up? Ambush!
Securing B. We almost got this. Push harder. B secure.
run away from me, wimp. He killed me, but he's still a wimp. He tried running away.
Spy plane incoming.
I'm not approving. I'm gonna go take A. Because I'm just gonna stay at A from now on.
Charlie.
Someone tries to kill A or to collect A, they're dead. I'll kill him. Kill him. Let's kill him.
Our spy plane's in the air. Securing Alpha. A secure.
And I'm just gonna sit here in my nice tidy spot. I'm nice and cozy. Someone comes out, I'll kill them.
Friendly RCXD.
I'm gonna go mow them down. So I'm gonna lay down. Oh, come on.
Oh,
I just came up with a battle plan.
Good work.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video, I guess. Goodbye. Which will be more domination.